Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video guys, we are making yellow rice with sausage and peppers. And if you're new to my channel guys, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification so you will not miss any future uploads. And this is going to be video 4 in the quick meal series. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and let's get into this recipe. Alright everybody, so I went ahead and got everything diced and chopped to save time. You want to go ahead and chop up your red, yellow, and orange peppers. I have my smoked sausages here I'm going to be using. I have a half of an onion. I got 2 cups of rice here. We got the turmeric, the olive oil, and we have 2 cups of chicken stock. We're going to go ahead and get the rice rinsed off and then we're going to get the pan started. Okay, so you want to start off by warming up your pan a little bit before you add your oil. And once you add your oil guys, you're only going to let it heat up for about another minute or 2. Okay, so once your oil's heated guys, we're going to start off by sauteing the onions until they're translucent in color. And make sure you stir them frequently guys to make sure that none of them overcook and they're all getting an even cooking as they're in the pan. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the way your onions are looking, you want to go ahead and add in that rice. And we're going to saute the rice with the onions for about another 2 to 3 minutes until it's a golden caramel color. And make sure that you are keeping an eye on your rice and stirring it frequently so it doesn't overcook. And now we're going to go ahead and get that chicken stock poured in. And we're going to let that simmer for a little bit and start adding in those dry ingredients. We're adding in the turmeric first, guys, as you can see. Now I got some garlic powder. And this right here is a little bit of ginger powder. And the last spice we're putting in here is a little bit of kosher salt, guys. This part, you want to add some salt, taste it, and just add some more as you go because it's all going to depend on your taste buds on how salty you would like your rice to be. Now, once you got all your spices added in, you want to go ahead and add in your smoked sausage. This also is going to put a lot of flavor into the rice and a little bit more salt, so you don't want to over season your rice with the kosher salt because there is going to be added salt with the meat. Alright, so once you're done adding all your meat, you want to give it a little stir to evenly distribute it. And next, you're going to add in your peppers. Alright, now that everything's added to the pot, you want to go ahead and place your lid onto the pot. And we're going to let this simmer for about the next 25 to 30 minutes. Now I do check the mixture about halfway through the cook time just to see how tender the rice is and to see what the liquid level is. And if you need to make any adjustments, this will be the right time to do so. Okay, once your rice is cooked to the softness you desire, go ahead and remove from the flame. Allow the food to cool and go ahead and enjoy this meal. Thank you all so much for watching again and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.